The 8th Annual General Meeting of the All Jaiñtia Muster Roll Workers was held at Madan, Kawang, Ummulong in West Jaintia Hills District today, the 17th of August 2023. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, graced the occasion as chief guest, while Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar attended the event as guest of honor. While addressing the gathering, the Meghalaya Chief Minister thanked all muster roll workers for their service and called upon each of them to continue working with the government to deliver the best to the state. On the long-standing issues with delay in payment of salaries for muster roll workers, Conrad Sangma informed that though it was not an easy task, yet the government has been working on better coordination amongst concerned departments, and accordingly the Finance Department was directed to release 3 months advance payments to the departments so salaries are disbursed on time.
I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years, even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence, when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Sniawbhalang Dhar, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the Finance and other officials, why can't we give the muster rolls their salary on time? If all of you, if all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the muster rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many muster rolls, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the muster rolls today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation.